कम दिख रहे क्या लोग? कोई नहीं आया है क्या ऑनलाइन? ऑनलाइन भी कम दिख रहे क्या? ज्यादा आ रहा है इसके? बहुत हो गया। टेबल क्रिएट कर रहे हैं अभी। चलो ठीक है। एक small recap what we did yesterday. Create a table. Then what? First we created database. Then we started using database. Then we created table. Then what? Inserted data in it. Then what? Again one more time we inserted in data in that. But what? Without one time. Okay. Then we understand. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to do perform we are going to perform okay, inserting data into table is almost done now. Okay, so guys, I don't know, one small request to you all as well as alarm for your future. Okay, just you guys are appearing here in the institute for class and attending a class, you are not going to get the job. Okay, in simple language, in clear cut language, I'm going to tell you, because it needs a vigorous practice. If you are not doing practice, okay, no, sir, I'm doing at my home, I'm doing in my hostel, okay. We know that what we do in hostel and all, okay. Come here, okay, be in the 5 net, okay, be here, wherever there is a place, find a place, okay, do practice. If there is any problem, come to me, come to Suman, okay, we all are there to help you. Okay, if there is no practice at all, everything will look like a picture here, but what end of the day you won't be able to work. That I can write on 100 rupees bond paper, okay, with notary. Okay, now, so please come to the practice, use your time, okay, here wisely, don't like at least every day 3 hours 4 hours of practice is very very important. Okay, though you are thinking, sir, just create table, chala practice ki. Okay, lot of things are there to practice. Okay, now inserting data into table is almost completed. Adding a new column. Okay, adding a new column. Let me open a Figma. Okay. So let's think like we have created here table, okay, and in this table, guys, in this table, let's say there are already some records here, around 4 records, okay, like what, first name, okay, then what, last name, okay, then what, age, okay, and city, okay. Then one more thing I want to add is what, contact number. Okay, we have created this table at this point. Okay, at this point, let's say we have created a whole table. What we have done? Created a whole table. We have entered some records also. What we have done? Sorry, light chali gayi. Okay, let's say I Shalu. Okay, then what? Reddy. Okay, age 50. Okay, city Mirchal. Okay, is what one record I have added here. I added, let's say, few more records also. Okay, Farah. Okay, Sheikh. Huh? Age is what? 20. Okay, city is what? Amirpet. Huh? We have added this record and one, oh my god, I want to add something, okay? One more column here. I want to add one more column. So after creation of this table, if you think like you should add a new column, then you can add it, okay? How to add it, that we are going to learn. So please, okay, open your SSMS guys. Okay. So let's create a new query here. Okay, create a new query, new page for the query, and what? Create first database. Once create a database. Create uh, a database. Create a database. Create a database called. Okay, today we will create a database of mm, alpha. Okay, alpha DB. Okay, alpha DB, like this one database I will create. Okay, once it is okay, the query is we have written, executed. What we will do? Execute it. Then what next? Once the query is executed, okay, next what we are going to do? Use alpha okay alpha DB. Okay, used. ये क्या से use alpha DB guys. अच्छा कुछ गलत ऊपर अल्फा लिखे अच्छा नहीं है नहीं okay a use okay use a अरे क्या हो गया रे Paina. ALHA. Okay, but I'm typing here just use AL. Why this is not coming? That's my question. Okay, the investigation. I'm typing only AL. No, after AL, whatever is there. Okay, so it is not coming. Sometimes it don't give. Okay, so here you can see if there is a Alha DB. Okay. So we can create this ALHA okay DB okay and okay select it and execute it. Okay, we have started using it. Next, what we did, we created and we started using a database. Next one, create a table. Create a table. Okay, so what is the table name? Let's give table name as okay user underscore info. What will give? User underscore info. And what are the things we need in this? First name. Very good. Okay, first name. Okay, what type of this record first name? Varchar. Shabash. Okay, how many okay characters we want? Let's say 20. Shabash. Next one, last name. Varchar. Okay, how many? 20. Okay. Next one, age. Okay. Number, int. Okay. How many character? Okay. Next one, city. Okay. City, varchar. చాలా varchar వస్తుంది. Varchar 20. Okay. So I have created this one, guys. Let's now execute it. Okay. And what after execution? Okay. After execution, let's see what will happen if I will execute this once again. This query I have executed. Okay. Now the table has been created. But let's say if I will execute this once again, select this and execute. Okay. Oh, there is already an object. What is it saying? There is already an object named user info. So you cannot create user info database. So if you will select again and start executing it, it means you want to create one more object. If you executed it once and then it will create one that object, so you cannot create the identical objects. Okay, identical objects. So done, guys. Okay, you want like same table, but what you have to do is you have to change the name of the table. Okay, same table you want in that also, first name, last name, age, city, you want these things, but what you cannot create with the same user info. You can create with, let's say, okay, here let's say employee info something in okay, and execute it. Now what, there is no employee info table, so it will create employee info successfully. Ardhamainda? Very good. Okay, now what next? Okay, select. Okay, select star from what? Okay, emp info. Okay, info. So we have employee info executed. Okay, these are the things. Next, what? Insert into what? What table name? Employee. Okay, info. Okay, what are the values we are going to enter? First name. Okay, so here, guys. Okay, we are going to enter first name. Okay, I will enter first name. Okay, last name, then what? Age. Acha, values. Here before bracket we have to do the values. Okay. ज्यादा age, then what? Comma, what is it? City. Okay, we are going to enter. These are the, okay, these are the different things into the table. Okay, next. Okay, here values. Okay, values, and here in this values, what I will do, I will write different values, guys. सही है क्या? स्पेस कहाँ पे दो स्पेस? अच्छा इधर. ओके, टैब. सो मैं okay, where yesterday I said before bracket. Okay, so हाँ नेहा बोलो, ये सही है कि नहीं? नेहा का हुआ है? हाँ नहीं है, क्या गलत है? ब्रैकेट के अंदर वैल्यूज आना चाहिए. Okay, and what if I don't want to, like, let's say, where should I write this? Insert into employee info, first name, last name, where should I enter this? Okay, Suman sir, is this query going right? Correct, no? Yeah. ओके चलो ठीक है हाँ व्हाट इज देयर फर्स्ट नेम ठीक है व्हाट वाज दैट नेम ओके शालू हाँ ओके ओमा ऐसा ही है अरे बताओ कल ही सीख लिया ना सिंगल कोटेशन ओके 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 शालू हाँ देन ओमा ఏ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ బట్ ఏంటి లాస్ట్ నేమ్ చెప్పు ఓకే రెడ్డి सही है ओके नेक्स्ट हाँ ओके व्हाट इज द एज बराबर है तेरा చూడు మళ్ళా हाँ 50 हाँ नेक्स्ट सिटी क्या है सिटी उसका मेडचल okay we have added this now what if I want to add a new record one more record in this हाँ बोलिए इसके नीचे लिखना है पक्का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इक्वल टू कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर लिखा है इसमें नहीं है जी आपके न्यू कॉलम नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं न्यू रिकॉर्ड बोल रहा हूँ और इनका ఒకసారి చేయాలా ఓకే अच्छा so execute చేద్దాం okay one row affected select star okay from emp info okay shalu reddy 50 medchal okay we have done this what is the command to insert multiple records in a single shot now what is the anniversary and wala okay okay so guys okay create a table and insert the values guys okay insert the value so here यहाँ पे भी नेहा बोलेगी कि नेहा what is the command to write insert now multiple records I want to insert in single shot okay I'm writing here query to right now okay to insert only one record एक ही record insert किया मैंने but what if I want to enter मानस I forgot చెప్పండి మానస insert insert into okay emp in अच्छा ये हो गया insert into emp info parenthesis okay first name okay last name okay age city very good next okay values inside మళ్ళా ఒకసారి parenthesis okay ఇదే ఈ parenthesis లో డిలీట్ చేయాలా ఓకే పై నుంచి వాల్యూస్ బ్రాకెట్ ఏ బ్రాకెట్ స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ సేమ్ బ్రాకెట్ parenthesis సో ఇక్కడ ఇట ఓకే ఓకే సరే చెప్పు ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ మళ్ళా వాల్యూస్ సరే ఓకే ఒక్క నిమిషం values after this open the parenthesis first name okay okay चलो चलो okay फरा quotation mark okay I say inside the quotation mark okay फरा SHIK next 20 हाँ ओके आमिर पेट हाँ भाई चलो हाँ नेक्स्ट क्लोज द पैरेंथेसिस कोमा ओके सो मैं ये कर रहा था ओके वैल्यूज ओके हाँ बोलो दूसरा नाम हाँ हाँ दूसरा ओके हाँ दूसरा नाम बोलो नेहा ओके नेहा ओके ओके इराम ओके ऐसे चलेगा ना नेहा सही है ना देन व्हाट नेक्स्ट age okay age is like 22 okay so now staying in what टोली चौकी हाँ सही है पक्का ओके ओके और एक रिकॉर्ड लिखेंगे हाँ सुमन सर का लिखेंगे रिकॉर्ड है सुमन साइज का स्क्वायर नहीं लिखेंगे इतना बड़ा छोटा सा लिखेंगे ओके देन व्हाट साइज सुमन SIZD चाहिए था साइज हो जाता है पढ़ने के लिए दोनों एक ही है ना SIZD और SIES okay next one is what okay just 19-year-old Suman sir okay so next one is what staying in what SR Nagar okay SR Nagar ठीक है so guys I have entered now सीख लो भाई देख लो how to enter multiple records in one query okay multiple records in one query execute 3 rows affected what happened 3 rows affected next one ab we will do shall we write one more time select all from employee info or execute the same query so now in our table there are 1 2 3 4 total how many records are there 4 records okay in our table there are 4 records but oh my gosh I want to add the contact numbers निखिल सर अभी बोल दिए एक और कॉलम बनाओ कांटेक्ट नंबर ऐड करने का so what we have to do is I have to create a new one column how to create that new one column okay so guys inserting data into table adding a new column to existing table okay adding a column to a existing table okay so guys here what we will do alter table name the command starts with what alteration करते ना रे मैं जब था 100 kg का तब मैंने डबल एक्सेल का शर्ट लिया अब मैं हो गया हूँ 50 kg का so I have to alter the shirt okay resize okay so if you are 50 you become 100 so you what go to the दर्जी मतलब टेलर के पास जाके what you do you increase the size of it though it is not possible but yet I am giving the example accept it alter table name okay and then what add column name data type okay add column name and data type okay this is what you have to do this is what we have to do guys so let's do this okay alter what will do alter okay then what इधर नहीं लिखना है इसको alter okay table emp info क्या हो गया alter table नहीं आ रहा है alter emp info एम्प्लॉय इन्फो ये ना emp info ओके अंडरस्कोर है क्या emp अंडरस्कोर एक मिनट रुको info alter table okay and the table name okay alter table, table name, add column name and its data type. Okay, info, then what, add what column name, contact. Okay, contact would be what, numeric or string, like what, decimal, integer, integer pakka, huh, mama, integer. Okay, contact should be of integer. Okay, now let's add this. Okay, let's run this, execute this command. Okay, command completed successfully. Okay, display the table now. Okay, display the table now. And guys, let's display the select all from and employee info. Now guys, we check here. Okay, we have added it, but what, already the records are added there. So what is happening? So the null value will be, okay, at place of. We did not provide while adding time, okay, because there was no contact table. So what happened now? By default, SQL has given null values to this. By default, SQL has provided null values to this. Okay, now. So, okay, so this is what happens when you will add a new table. Okay, so guys, there is a, like, how to avoid this kind of situation, or let's say, okay, what would be the, now how can I add, the question might come to you. Okay, now I have a number of, okay, I have a number of, okay, I got a number of Shalu, Farah, Neha and Suman, and I want to add there. How will you add it? Okay, very good. Update. Okay, update. Employee info. Enter. Okay, enter. What? Set. Acha, set. Okay, set. Okay, space contact. Okay. Contact. इधे कदा? Is equal to, okay, let's say 89896745. Okay, now this is the contact number I want to assign, but still it is giving some error here. अब क्या क्या लगाना? Okay, okay. Where clause? Okay, where to apply? Set contact number. Munde. Okay, where? Shalu. Okay. First name. Shalu. Paka. Shalu. First name equal to or same equal to? Okay, Shalu. Done. That's it. Okay. So still it is giving error here. देखो invalid column name contact बोल रही है. Spelling सही है क्या? CONTACT. Okay. Will it execute? Paka, are you sure about your query? Are you sure about this query? No? कॉन्टैक्ट की जगह वेयर आता है. अच्छा, कॉन्टैक्ट की जगह वेयर आता, ठीक है, और वेयर की जगह कॉन्टैक्ट. Execute. Okay, one row is affected. Okay, no problem at all. See, you have added that contact earlier. That is the one drawback I always find with SQL. This, okay, SSMS. When we add, okay, later on something, it takes too much of time to detect it, some updation, and it will like throw some error, invalid and kind of that. This is misleading. Okay, we have to suggest Microsoft team to work upon it. Okay, it should update quickly. Huh? So we have added it, and now select all from, okay, employee info, and see where there was a Shalu's number is this, okay. So we have added. How many of you did understand this query? Okay, this is the update. Okay, let's what we have done. We learned two commands: alter table name, and that add. Then what, column name, and what type of data that column will, okay, column will take. First command what? If you want to add a new column, what is the command? Alter table name, add column name and data type. Okay. Next, what we did was we added. Okay, we added column, but everything was null. Okay, in existing records, null value. And what we want to update now that record. If you want to what update, already the record is there, and you want to add something, okay, or you want to delete something, or you want to what, change the value of something, then what it will be, okay. Hello Avinash. Hi, yeah, Avinash. Okay. हाँ हाँ ठीक है ओके हाँ गिव मी हाँ 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 बोलिए बोलिए आपका क्वेश्चन बोलिए
जब आपको एक्सेल में जो आप जाओगे इसमें आपको एक्सेल जैसा मेरे को एज की बगल में कांटेक्ट आना चाहिए मगर स्पेसिफिक रो की बगल में ये कांटेक्ट आना चाहिए तब कैसे इसको
अच्छा स्पेसिफिक रो के बगल में मेरे को कांटेक्ट
एज हम जब भी हम एसक्यूएल पे ऐड करते हैं वो लास्ट का स्पेस लेके अपडेट होते हैं मगर मेरे को स्पेसिफिक रेंज मगर एज और फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम और एज के बीच में
I got it. I got your question. Okay. I got your question. Okay. Now he wants to add contact number in between of age and city. Okay. That is the question. Yeah. Definitely we will learn about that. Okay. How to do that also. But this is not the right time to learn this. Okay. We will do it, but in coming lectures. That is also there. Right now we are adding, but where to add, what to add, lot of if else conditions, okay, where was conditions will be added there, and for that, okay, we will go by order, one by order, okay, one by one. Yes, definitely this question is noted. When the time will come, I will take your name and I will, okay, answer this question. Okay, Avinash?
Thank you so much. Okay. Please
No. Actually, got it. Actually, that noise, actually, voice is going that side. So here our fans are working, no. So that's the reason your voice is not audible sometimes. No problem. I will work upon it. Okay, definitely. Sure. Oh, okay. Sure. Definitely. Okay, guys. So a very wise question, that how to add, okay, contact in between age and city. Okay, that is what. So when this time will come, I will definitely answer. But one thing I want to tell you, one thing I want to tell you, when you will be, okay, dealing with this kind of data. Last time, how many people you attended my Power BI lecture? In that, we discussed one session about schemas. Okay, two types of schemas. हाँ, बोलो कौन से दोनों टाइप के schemas हमने पढ़े? Star schema and snowflake schema. Okay. When you will be, let's say, when you are creating joins, okay, when you are creating joins and a lot of things, you will be creating from existing table. Okay, you are creating a new tables by taking some column from this table, some column from that table, and okay, joining. You can do lot of alterations. Okay, you can do lots of alteration. For alteration, there is a no. Okay, there is a no harm. There is a no. Okay, like you can do anything. Any permutation combination is possible in this. Okay. So update employee info set contact, we have updated it. Now I want you to, okay, you have created, open your laptops, okay, create this, and I want you to update. I want you to update remaining 3 records. Okay, remaining 3 records. Hmm. Yes, I am. Yes. No, no. Okay, no problem. Okay, go on. Go on. Go on. Come on. Okay. What if I want to update, okay, all the records? हाँ हाँ AWS. Okay, 9 numbers की वस्तु में 10 numbers की route ले दूँ. Okay, that is happening because of, okay, the integers. Okay, there is a capacity in your structured query language that each cell, kitna, how big number it can. Okay, let's say you are adding 15, 60, okay, numbers, big number, it won't take it. Okay, for that you have to go with the, okay, a very very big number. Okay, big int. Okay, big int is there. So big int, small int, and like this. Okay, different integers are there. ये देखिए यहाँ पे उसका कमांड है. We do have a command for this. Select, okay, star from employee info and execute. Okay, we have executed. Okay, so successfully all the, okay, all the records we have updated with the contact numbers, isn't it? Now all are good with this. Okay, all are good with this. So next one is what? adding a new column with default value. Let's say you don't want to, some default value is already coming there, that is none or null, null. Okay, null. But let's say unknown, don't know. Okay, absent. Okay, something like this kind of value. Okay, you want to add. Okay, in all the records. Okay, when it is creating that column, let's say 100 records are already created and you are trying to create a new column, then in 100 records you want, okay, you want one what complete default value. So how can you add that default value? So for that, okay, alter table name. What is the command? Alter table name, and then add column name, okay, and data type and a default and a value. This default is nothing but one constraint here. Okay, one constraint. So if you use this constraint and then you will give value in 100 record, it will add the same value. What it will do in 100 records, it will add the same value. So right now we don't have it, but one more time. Okay, let's say one more time. I want to create. Okay, I want to create a one more time. Okay, one more column. What I want to create? One more column, but this time it is email. What is it? Email. Okay, and here email type is what? Varchar. Okay, or leave it. DOB. Okay, DOB. Date of birth. Okay, it should be a type of date. Okay, or date time. Date is enough. Okay, date time not necessary. Let's execute it. Okay, execute it. Okay, and what I want to add a, okay, now tab I alter table. Okay, alter table name. What is the table name? emp underscore info. Okay, add. Okay, column name. Okay, what is the column name? Email. Huh? DOB. हाँ DOB है ना, date of birth. Okay, and what after date of birth? Okay, so here you can give, okay, default. Okay, default. Okay, default, and what a value? Unknown. Okay, unknown. Okay, you want to add like this. So execute this command, and what? Oh, DOB must include a, okay, a data type also. Okay, so here we have add DOB date, alter table. Okay, table add DOB. Okay, here DOB default, and what? Unknown. Is it correct? Unknown. Okay, unknown. UNKNOW. Okay, unknown. Okay, and execute the query. Okay, must be unique. Okay, column names in each table must be unique. अरे ये क्या हो, equal to को. So what we are going to adding a new column to with a default one. Okay, default alter table now add column data type default and value. Okay, column name DOB, data type date, default and value. Okay, we have given everything. So okay, DOB in table emp info is specified more than once. Okay, so I think it is already created. Okay, execute, and yes, DOB is created, but first time when it was created, okay, at that time I did not add the value. Okay, so first I will do is, okay, I will add a new one. Okay, I will add a new one called email this time. Okay, and what type of it? varchar. Okay, varchar with how much? 20 characters. Okay, 20 characters, and I will give unknown now. Okay, it will create a new table, execute it, and guys, okay, command has successfully, okay, entered, execute, and if rate, it is still giving the, okay, default and null. Oh, default value will be applied only for newly added records. Existing records have null only. Okay, what is it? Default value will be added to, okay, applied only for newly added. Let's see. Okay, let's see. I will add, okay, I will add a new record here. Okay, insert into what? Emp info. Okay, emp info, and here, okay, values. Okay, values, and here I will add a new value. Okay, what is here? Let's say Sharma. Okay, comma, okay, Sharma, okay, Kaspa, okay, comma, okay, 34, okay, JP Nagar, okay, next one what? 88776655. Okay, and here what we will do, I will date of birth I will add. Okay, I will add a date of birth. So what, first, okay, first I will add 01, okay, hyphen 01 hyphen 2025. Okay, 34 years के 2025. अच्छा, ठीक. Okay, चलो ठीक है, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. चलो 19, okay, 1984 ले लेता हूँ भाई. चलो ठीक है ना. So this is what, okay, this is what happening here, but I'm not going to add an email now. I'm not going to add email. So what would be the value? Okay, what would be the value for this? Insert into and execute. Okay, number of supplied values does not match, it is saying. Wow. Okay, here what you have to give in this condition: first name, okay, comma, last name, okay, comma, then what? Age, okay, comma, okay, city, comma, okay, and DOB. कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है क्या? अच्छा, कॉन्टैक्ट, ये कॉन्टैक्ट को काय करू? ओके, कॉन्टैक्ट, then what? DOB. Okay, DOB. So date of birth are there. Now guys, let's what? Execute it. Okay, one row affected, and now select it, select it, and you see here now for new record we are getting unknown value. What are we getting? Unknown value. Okay, if we will not add from here, okay, if we will not add from here any new value to this, then what? It will get unknown rather than making it null. Okay, okay, but let's say if I will add a new record. Okay, if I will add a new record, okay, I will just copy this. Okay, control C, okay, control V, and what here? Okay, Sharmila, okay, Kapoor, okay, and the age is, okay, 22, okay, and she is from AP Nagar, okay, phone number, okay, 55776655, okay, and here, okay, 1, okay, 04, okay, and hyphen, okay, here 2023, okay, अरे 10 हो गया 2023, okay, this is what I want to add, but okay, I don't want to add, okay, contact number, okay, date of birth, okay, I will remove it from here, okay, I will remove it from here. At this place I will go with the, okay, I will go with email, okay, email, सही बात है, कहाँ पे आना email, यहाँ पे आना email, okay, and here is the email guys, okay, what, sharamu at the rate gmail.com, okay, gmail.com, okay, and here, okay, execute it, one row is affected, okay, and let's try to, okay, let's try to select all, showcase the table, execute, and you see guys, here you got null again, because this is a normal one, okay, this is normal one, it is not created with a default value something unknown, but it is created with a default value, okay, as a null only, we haven't done anything for this, but okay, if I will not add here for next record any email value, it will be unknown, it will be unknown, okay now. So guys, add, let's say, okay, add two more, okay, records, add two more new records, okay, with this, okay, in this, okay, 7 number and 8 number record also you guys can add, and I want to add, okay, new column here, okay, new column here called salary, okay, salary with data type money, okay, salary with data type money, create it fast,
कॉलम क्रिएट करोगे या फिर डेटा क्रिएट करोगे?
अरे हो गया,
व्हाट शुड वी क्रिएट नाउ? न्यू कॉलम या फिर न्यू डेटा?
new column, create a new column, okay, with something.
ऑल्टर टेबल,
Where is your laptop? You are not bringing laptop.
ऑल्टर टेबल, सैलरी बोलेंगे। सैलरी का हिंट आता ना, सैलरी का हिंट आता है।
Then guys, if it is done, take 2 minutes of break and the Python class will start.
डॉलर सैलरी कोच में आना कभी नंबर्स में सैलरी कोच में आते सैलरी कोच में डालना क्या वैल्यू तो सर ओए सर वो उन्हें आए तो नहीं अटेंड करे स्कूल